Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Andrea, and welcome back to another Peachybbies video. So this week, I got an amazing suggestion from one of you guys who said, "Hey, Andrea, you know what you should do? You should restock some of the old OG favorites, things that maybe you made a long time ago that a lot of people want to see brought back." So this week, we have all of the OG Peachybbies favorites, and we're going to be bringing them back to the shop for you. So starting out, first of all, you guys have been watching it as I've been talking. There's Planetary Foam. So I made this one a long time ago, and it is packed full of rainbow and white foam beads, and then a few really big rainbow beads on top. And this is definitely one of my favorites. It's one of the crunchiest slimes, and I love it so much. Last time we sold it, it had a pistachio scent. This time I decided to leave it unscented because I wasn't quite sure what the galaxy would smell like. Next, we have another OG favorite. This one is Carnival Berries. I mean, show of hands in the comments. How many of you guys remember any of these slimes? Definitely let me know down below. This one is scented exactly like our Captain Crunch slime, but it has a hint of berry in it. So it's the berry version of Captain Crunch. And by the way, guys, if you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know that you liked it so I can keep making more. And then if you guys really like the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm going to be hanging out in the first hour that this video is live, and I would absolutely love to talk to you. And then finally, you guys know, if you want to see more videos, you should definitely go down below. All of my links are down in the description, and you should check out the Peachybbies Instagram. I post a ton of behind the scenes and just random slime stuff on there, so you should definitely go check it out. But back to the Carnival Berries. This one is a really thick and glossy base, and it has all of those super pretty beads in it, so I really love this one. And next we have another favorite. This one is Animal Crackers. So I've had a lot of different variations of this slime. This is the base that is made as a thick cream cheese. So this one is a really thick and glossy and holdable base with a bunch of rainbow beads for texture. And then it's scented like a frosted animal cracker. So it smells super sweet, kind of like a vanilla wafer, but a little bit sweeter than that if I'm trying to, you know, describe an animal cracker. This one has been in my shop in, like I said, all different forms of slime, but I keep coming back to the OG classic cream cheese base because I just feel like it is one of my favorites to date, honestly. Also, if you guys hear that noise in the background, that is Nugget and Celeste playing. I'm sorry, I don't control them. They kind of do what they want, so, you know. They're there. I'm sorry about it. Moving on, we have an OG favorite that I accidentally invented. So if you guys have been longtime viewers of the main channel, I accidentally made this in a slime challenge and it just kind of stuck, so we keep bringing it back. This week it has green foam beads instead of green sprinkles, just because I kind of liked them better. I felt like it looked more like a pineapple top because they floated to the top, and I personally love them because they add some crunch. This week there is a little bit of a difference with the scent. It is actually a juicy pineapple scent with a hint of cilantro, so it smells really refreshing and really fruity, and I am a big fan. If you guys get this one, definitely let me know how you liked the smell. It's a little bit different, but I think it's a change for the better. Then we also have Candied Peach. I've brought this one back a few times and you guys keep asking for it. So here it is. This one is a metallic base and it's basically the mascot of the shop because, you know, Peachybbies. We had to have some peach things in here. So this one is an unscented clear based slime and it's got a really pretty metallic peach color. This is one of 2 clear-based slimes that we have in the shop this week. So if you guys are looking for something that is a clear or a metallic, I would definitely recommend this one. Or, you know, the other one. It kind of depends on what you like. I get that question all the time. A lot of people will ask me what my favorite thing is in the shop. And to be completely honest, if I didn't like it, I wouldn't sell it. So it's literally whatever is your favorite or whatever preference you have. So if you like a specific color or a specific texture, but I do like them all. Also, just a little bit of a heads up, because I think I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video, with all of the links that I've listed down below, the Peachybbies link to get to the shop, if you guys want to check it out, is also listed down below, as well as the time that we're restocking. So if you guys want to shop the video, want to check out what's happening over there, definitely go click on the link. And next we have Princess of Jupiter, another super throwback slime. I made this one, I think maybe a year and a half ago now, but it still to this day is one of my favorite glitter slimes. So this one definitely needs to clear up a little bit. This was my own personal batch and I had just played with it. So imagine it exactly like this, but a little more clear and a little less opaque. This one is a really light pink base. It's unscented. This one is an unscented slime with a really pretty light pink base, and then it is packed full of a micro shimmer. So when you hold it in light or you take a video of it with a flashlight, it shimmers really, really pretty so that you can get that amazing Instagram shot. Next we have, okay, first of all, look at that title. I put a lot of work into that one, and I will say that is my favorite title of the week. But next we have something that looks almost like a cloud cream slime we have called Candy Hearts. But this is actually one of the first slimes I made on my main channel. I believe that the video is still up, and I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out if I can find it. But it is the OG Unicorn Cloud. So that's not what it was named at the time, because at the time I was using Model Magic. I'm not going to use Model Magic in my shop anymore. So this one is a Butter Cloud Hybrid. So it's really soft and really spreadable, but it is a bit more holdable than a Cloud Cream and a little bit less wet, I would say, for anybody who's wondering what the texture is like. But it starts out as 3 separate colors, and then each of the 3 scents have various scents, like one is sugar cookies, one is marshmallow, and then the other one is bubblegum. Then when you mix them all together, it turns into a really pretty purple. Moving on, we have Funfetti frosting shots. So these are another OG. I think that I made these in the same video that I made the unicorn slime that we just talked about. These are scented like buttercream frosting, and these ones are a cloud hybrid as well. And then they're topped off with these cute little clay rainbow sprinkles. So another OG, if you guys really love the cloud slimes, this is another great one to get. But that is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, you should definitely like it and then come hang out with me in the comments because I really want to talk to you guys. Other than that, there will be more videos up on all 3 of my channels soon, so definitely don't forget to check them out. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!